here's what we got on our camping setup. So, first, ang pinaka-importante sa amin, cooler. Wala nga lang siyang battery since walang kuryente or electricity dito sa isla. So, dito nakalagay yung mga frozen food and meat, ganon. Minsan naglalagay kami ng ice cream.
Unfortunately, lobat na siya and wala kaming dalang power station.
So, next is our box. Dito nakalagay yung mga cooking ware, stove, some other stuff like mga
Utensils.
ingredients and all. Next.
Dito naman tayo sa aming tent.
So, let's come inside. So, this is what it looks like. Meron kaming bed, inflatable bed. Meron lang siyang sariling pump. Nagdi-deflate and nag-i-inflate din siya. And then, our mat from Nature Hike. This size is 270 to 395 centimeters. Same sa size ng tent namin. Next, our Nature Hike na storage box. And dito ko nilalagay yung bed pag naka-deflate na siya. And mga lights. So, meron din kaming portable fan. This is from Firefly. That's all. Ito, mga lights. Yun pa, meron din kaming
Nature Hike mosquito killer lamp. Mostly ng brand na gamit namin is from Nature Hike.
so yun lang.
Check the link on my comment section. Bye!